What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Shein Curve try-on haul. I have not filmed a try-on haul in probably a good month and a half, so I was really missing out on it. I do have another Shein haul to film after this, and then a Fashion Nova haul, so make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. That way you never miss a future upload. So this particular haul I actually placed like 2 months ago with Shein, and I placed it like 2 weeks before Halloween in hopes it would get to me in time, because there are a few pieces in here that I was looking forward to wearing. Number 1 for Halloween, and number 2 for Spirit Week. Our Spirit Week at work was the whole week leading up to Halloween, so I was really hoping and praying. Unfortunately, it didn't get to me in time, so now I just have these random pieces that I don't know what I'm gonna do with, but I still wanted to show you guys what they are. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, then you really missed out on a good time. Carlos and I did a couples themed Halloween costume, and it was our first year dressing up together. Listen, let me just insert some pictures real quick, and maybe a few video clips, just so you guys can really see. We were Dog the Bounty Hunter and Beth, RIP. I know she's no longer with us, but I still just had to, we had to dress up. We had to do the whole couple thing, so enjoy.
In girl world, Halloween is the one night a year when a girl can dress like a total slut and no other girls can say anything about it. The hardcore girls just wear lingerie and some form of animal ears.
Doesn't she look great, honey?
I mean, if that is not unreal, I don't know what is. We seriously had the best time. I just feel like we were just the life of the party, if I'm being honest. So you will see in this haul a couple like faux leather pieces that I was hoping to get prior to Halloween that I did not get. But we'll get into that when we get into this haul. If you guys are new to ordering with Shein, please measure your bust, waist, and hips and order that way. Order by your measurements, not by the size, because you could be a 1X in one top and then like a 4 or 5X in another top. The sizing is a little wild. It's a little wild. So trust me when I say go by your measurements. I also have a coupon code with Shein to save you guys a little bit of coin. It is code NicoleA15, and it will save you guys an extra 15% off site-wide. All of that info will be linked below, as well as the links to every single item I'm showing you guys today for easy shopping. I try to make it easy for you guys. You're welcome. All right, without further ado, let's get into this haul. So I'm a fall girl at heart. I just love the season. It is my absolute favorite season. I feel like it's not freezing here in California, but it is chilly. Put on a nice little coat or a flannel, walk out the door, you're good to go. So I did get 3 flannel type tops, I should say. This first one, I feel like is flannel print, but it's more like fleece, and it's a little bit more heavy duty, so I feel like it's more like a jacket. And it's just so cute. Just look at it. It has like a camel color, black, gray, and like a white. And like I said, it's just a little bit more heavy duty than an actual flannel. It is so soft. It is so cute, so comfortable. And I picked this up in a 3X, and I thought it fit perfectly. Okay, the next one is equally as cute, honestly, if not cuter. And it's more of a like camel toned vibe going on. And this is more like a true flannel, like it's a little bit more lightweight than that first one. So cute, has the buttons going up the front, just these like brown neutrally colored buttons. Absolutely love this one, and I picked this one up in a 4X. Okay, last flannel, I think. Yes, last flannel is this one. Same like color scheme, but it just looks a little different. This one is like the majority white, or like an ivory color. Another flannel. This is the lightest weight of them all. I love a good lightweight like flannel or jacket or coat, because I feel like I'm always hot. So this one is like perfect. This one I actually picked up in a 2X. So as you guys can see, I got 3 different flannels, and one was a 2X, one was a 3X, one was a 4X. Order by your measurements. Trust me on that. Very cute, not stretchy, just a typical flannel. So I wanted to take a quick little break from this haul to share with you guys today's sponsor, which is Dossier. If you guys have never heard of Dossier, it is a perfume company that makes perfumes inspired by higher end fragrances. It comes in the cutest little packaging, as you guys can see. I absolutely love it. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So you are getting super affordable perfumes. They start at just $29. And you can actually go on their website and browse for fragrances, like the higher end fragrances, and it'll show you guys which perfumes are inspired by that fragrance. I got one, I can't remember which one it is. I have a whole dossier collection up on this shelf. One of them actually smells exactly like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I mean, exactly like it, and I have been just obsessed with that one lately. So when you get your perfume, you have a little card that tells you the notes, what it's inspired by, the concentration, how it works, just a little information card, and then this is how the perfume comes. Such simple yet adorable packaging. Absolutely love it. I always talk about the cap. I'm just so like fascinated with this cap. It just sucks right on with a super strong magnet. I just think it looks super simple, looks so great up on any shelf or dresser. I just love the packaging a lot. They actually sell not only perfume, but they have men's cologne as well, and then they have unisex scents, which I thought was super cool. The amazing thing about this company is that you have a money back guarantee. So it's risk-free. If you order it and you're not really a huge fan, you can send it back and get 100% of your money back. I think that's amazing, especially now during COVID, because a lot of places don't have testers out, even like perfume or cologne testers. So you have no idea, you're kind of buying blindly. But if you already know there's a high-end fragrance you absolutely love, go try to find on their website if there's one inspired by that and order it. I freaking guarantee you guys will love it. Dossier is always running some sort of sale, but they also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys. If you guys use the code Nicole10, it will save you guys an extra 10% off on the Dossier website. Definitely check them out. All of the information will be linked below. It is risk-free. Like I said, you can get all your money back if you are just not satisfied, but I think you'll be satisfied, especially for that price tag. Let me know if you guys try it out. Okay, I got this really cute shacket, and it's a black shacket with leopard sleeves, and I really like the way the sleeves start like part of the way down. I don't know, like, am I explaining that right? It's just so cute on. This black part is almost like a faux like suede material, and then it has these cute silver buttons going down the front. I wear all of my, I feel like everybody does maybe, I don't know, shackets and flannels like open with a cute little top underneath. This one I picked up in a 3X, and it's not made of a stretchy material. All right, I got this black shirt. It's just a ribbed black top. It was a little bit more fitted on me, as you guys will see in the try on portion, and it has this cute little like peekaboo area here at the chest. Loved this top a lot. I did notice, like, as I wore it, this strap part at the top kind of would like sag a little bit. It wasn't like super flat on my chest, which was slightly irritating, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't bug me that much. This one is made of a stretchy material, and I picked it up in a size 4X. Okay, this next top I got, I think I kept in mind like bridal, because as I was ordering this, it was leading up to my wedding, and I didn't know if I was gonna have any more little like events or like gatherings bridal related, if that makes sense. So I got this white, because typically I do stay away from white, but it's like a shiny like sheen to it, very stretchy white square neck top, and it does have cinching up both sides. It looks super good on. I really like this a lot. In the try on portion, I did kind of tuck that bottom portion into my jeans. I feel like that's how I would wear it, is tucked in. I got this in a 4X, and like I said, it is very stretchy. Okay, I got a super casual waffle knit long sleeve, and this one does have a slit up both sides, and it's more of like a square bottom. I picked it up in a 3X, and it's this really pretty like brown mauve-y color. Super casual, super comfortable. I just like tops like these for work. On days when I know I'm gonna be going out with the students, I wanna be comfortable because we're gonna be walking a lot. Honestly, this one is super casual. I might even just like wear this one around the house with some yoga pants or like running errands. But very stretchy, and like I said, I got this in a 3X. So this next item was one of the ones that was going to be for Spirit Week. So any item that was supposed to be for Spirit Week or Halloween, I'm gonna preface that to just let you know, like, it's not necessarily something I would just like wear on a daily basis, but I got this super furry vest. It's actually really soft and kind of cute. Not particularly my style, so I don't think I would wear it, but perfect for a costume. I dressed up like a hippie from the 70s in one of my outfits, and I found another vest to wear, but this was going to be the vest. But unfortunately it didn't come in time. It's not stretchy at all. Picked it up in a 4X and I thought it fit perfectly. This next shirt I thought would be perfect for work. It's this really pretty like mauve-y pink color with white, they're not perfectly like circular polka dots, but as you guys can see there, really pretty. It is long sleeve, super flowy. It cinches in a bit at the wrists and has some like ruffles, which kind of adds like a little something to a basic top. It does have this little strap here at the chest. Overall, I think it's super cute. Fit me perfectly, and I picked this one up in, I never know, because sometimes they put the tags on the side, a 4X. This next top is another one that could be great for work. It is a long sleeve green top that ties up at the chest. I think in the try on portion I did show you guys how it can come undone. You can tie it really however you want. This one I feel like maybe I could have sized down one. I got it in a 5X. It's not super stretchy, which is why I think I sized up like that. I just get a little worried sometimes with the non-stretchy items, but I think I would have been fine sizing down. It was definitely flowy, but I feel like I would still wear this with some like black skinny jeans to work. Very cute, love the deep green color, and overall I really like it. Next is also like a deep green color. This is a turtleneck sweater, and it is a chunky ribbed turtleneck sweater, super comfortable, flowy. I feel like very constricted sometimes when I wear turtlenecks. This does not do that because of how stretchy it is. It's pretty loose up here at the neck, which I like. This one definitely is stretchy, and I got it in a size, oh my god, I should be prepared, you guys, I'm sorry. I got this one in a size 3X. So this next one is a red, like silky button up, and for some reason, it just screams pajamas to me. I don't know why. That was my speaker turning off. I don't know why, but it just looks like it should have matching bottoms and that it would be pajamas. So in the try on portion, I tried it on as is, and then I tried unbuttoning the last button, tying it up at the waist. Now I know cropped things are not for everyone, totally get it. I mean, half the time I'm like, no, I'm not wearing a cropped top either. But I just wanted to show you how it kind of made it look a little bit less pajama-like if you did something to it like that. So it looks like this. I picked it up in a 4X and it's not stretchy, and I think the fit was perfect. This next one was supposed to be for Spirit Week as well. We also were doing an 80s day, and this is what I was gonna wear. A little windbreaker. Love the colors on this. It fit great. It is fully zip up. As you can see, it had pockets. Super lightweight, really cute. Picked it up in a 4X. And then these last two items were supposed to be for my Beth the Bounty Hunter costume. I ordered this faux leather vest, and it's kind of more cropped, and I wasn't sure honestly what I was going to pair it with. I just wanted to make sure I ordered lots of leather and lots of like black items. So this was one of them. And then the other thing I ordered, which I wasn't sure if I was going to wear, I just wanted to have it as an option just in case, was just a faux leather skirt. I actually ended up just wearing pants. I found leather Spanx pants at Target in the plus size, like you know where they sell like socks and underwear? It was over there. Super comfortable actually. I never thought leather leggings were for me, but they were actually really cute. So I ended up wearing that, but this would have also been cute. I just feel like I would have been annoyed and like kept messing with it so people wouldn't like see my butt. You know what I mean? We don't want any slips like that. So I'm kind of glad I went with pants, but I ordered this in case just as an option. Like I said, got this in a 4X. All right, you guys, that was it for my Shein Curve try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like videos like these, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, like I said, so you never miss a future upload. Don't forget to check Dossier out. They will be linked below as well as all of the items I talked about today, coupon codes, all the good stuff, description box. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.